Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Siri with using your headphones JBL Live 660 NS. You have to start by open JBL application, choose your device, then scroll down, click on Voice Assistant and choose Siri. Back and hide an application. Now, you should press a middle button between volume up and volume down buttons. You should press and hold it for at least 2-3 seconds. Hi Siri, how are you? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!